Hello friends, we're back with a Cafecito pairing. So I hope you enjoyed our first video we made on coffee pairings. As promised, we have more coffee pairings. Mr. Cafecito is joining me again. Say hello.
Hello.
So he's joining me again. We're going to show you another coffee pairing from another local bakery and coffee shop, and hope you enjoy these. If you do, you know what to do. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification button so you know when our videos are uploaded and you don't miss a thing. So today's Cafecito pairing is from a Japanese bakery that opened up a couple years ago near us, and it is one of our favorites. It's called Okayama Kobo Bakery and Cafe. So you guys, ooh. The name's on this side, and you can see it there. And like I said, it's a Japanese bakery, and they use like a special flour from Japan. I don't know what they put in it, but it is really good. So the coffee we have for today to go with our pairings is just an Americano, 2 shots of espresso with hot water. So it's kind of bold, but not super strong. And they use, what coffee do they use? Groundwork coffee, which is really good. And I think you could buy it at stores. So we're going to show you what we have today. Hold this. And we actually have some savory items, not just sweet items, because coffee goes well with savory items too, not just the sweet stuff. So one of our favorites is this called curry pan. So it is like a doughy pastry, and it's got like some little flaky, crunchy things on top, and inside it has like a curry. I think it's just vegetables. I don't think it has meat inside, but it is very good. So it's a little, not spicy like chili spice, but you know, spices that come in the curry. So this is called curry pan. Okay, so we have our curry pan, which is savory. And we also have another one that we like. It's called the cookie salt butter cookie roll. Ooh, it's kind of, they make these every day, fresh. They bake everything in store. So it's just like a roll, but it's got like this like cookie crust thingy on it. It's pretty good. And another favorite is, these are too cute. They're called little Emoji buns. And they are these little soft buns, and they have, I think this one has chocolate pudding inside. And they have a little different emoji shapes. What does that look like? A pig? I think that's a little pig. So every time you go in, there's going to be little different emojis on these little emoji buns. And I'll put the proper names underneath. I don't remember right now. But yeah, so we got some savory. And nothing's too sweet. That's what I like about this bakery, that their bread is like really soft. Like I said, it's fresh. They make it there every single day, and it's not too sweet, and it's just different than any other bakery I've ever had because it's a Japanese bakery. And we're pairing it with an Americano because we like the espresso, but it's not so super strong because of the added water. So we'll start off with the curry. Like I said, this is savory. It's got some curry in there. It might have chicken in there. I'm not sure. They also have a spicy one, right? A spicy curry pan that's really, really spicy. Really, really good, but really spicy. So and this is really good with coffee, actually. It's got like some little like crispy crumbs on the top. I don't know, it's so good. This whatever flour they use, which they say is imported from Japan, just makes everything very light, like fluffy, soft, and it's not too heavy. That's what I like. Their pastries are not like heavy. Really good. How's the coffee? Try it. Yeah, does it go good with the Americano?
Oh,
yeah, really good with the Americano. I think we need to show you this one, the inside, because like I said, not only is it cute little soft bun with the little emoji, but it also has a little surprise inside. Look at that, it's so soft and fluffy and bouncy. And it has just a little bit of like, oh, this one has vanilla and chocolate. You guys see that, the pudding in there? It's like a little, oh, custard, that's what it is. It's a custard. Yum, it's so good. I don't know what
it is, but it's good.
Yeah, it's really good actually. And yeah, it's just very popular. You have to go there. Not super early, but if you don't get there by a certain time, usually the last hour they're closing, they have very few things left. So they have the bakery, they have the cafe, they have different kinds. They also have like other little sandwiches and paninis. So I really like it when coffee shop has pastries, and they also offer like savory items, not just sweet items. So yeah, Okayama Kobo Japanese bakery. You know, they have a lot of coffee. They have, you know, the typical regular coffee, fancy coffees, but their Americano is really good. Just very simple to go with all the different pastries. That's what we recommend. Any thoughts?
Very good.
Yeah, it's really good.
Very good flavor.
It's definitely something very different. It's not like your normal, typical American type bakery. They're very nice, very friendly, good service. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying our little coffee pairings. And this one is just kind of like cookie. Look at it, just like the way it stretches. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying our videos. You know what to do if you like our videos. Give them a thumbs up. Show Mr. Cafecito some love. Thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you like these kind of videos. If you enjoy our pairings, coffee videos, coffee reviews, coffee adventures, and all things coffee. So that's all we have for today. If you're ever in Southern California, you definitely must check out Okayama Kobo Japanese Bakery. I'll leave all the information in the descriptions. If you guys have any other suggestions for coffee pairings, leave us a comment and we will try and make those videos. So that's all I have for today. Anything else you want to share?
Everything's good.
Everything's really good. So we'll see you guys next time. Bye.